So this is where I started, and this was generated in SORA. I've put the prompt at the bottom. This was my first attempt at what I had in my head, my vision, which was a sort of a vacuum packed cheeseburger. And as you can see, the prompt's pretty simple. I've just put a cheeseburger and fries in a wrinkled, glossy, transparent plastic pouch, hanging on a display hook with a supermarket background. Now, I didn't quite envision this to turn out how it did. So why this looks so bad is the fact you've got the product here. You've obviously got the burger in the pouch, which looks okay, hanging down sort of just off center in the screen. But then it's really far away from the background of the supermarket. So you've got all these out of focus areas here, like really far away, which is not kind of what I had in my head. I wanted it to be almost part of a shelf. And you've also got this hook that just doesn't make sense because it's coming out of nowhere. You've also got this other weird sort of hook in the background as well, which we'll probably have to Photoshop out or something if that was a problem. Also, the burger itself, it looks all right. It's not very inspiring. The tomato here is quite dull. The color of it's quite desaturated, and the fries the fries are like individual, but they kind of merge into the burger here in a really unappealing way. So if that was the only thing that bothered me, I could just rerun this or just edit it, remix it, and just try and fix those things. But overall, there were just too many problems, but this gave me a good base to try and figure out exactly what I want to do. So then through many iterations, I came up with this as the final image, which you've seen on the thumbnail. Now look at the prompt. There's so much more detail in the prompt because I really thought about exactly how I wanted to portray this. So a vacuum packed cheeseburger and fries with tomato slices and lettuce, because some of the generations I ran didn't have those in a glossy transparent plastic pouch, tightly wrapped, where you can read the rest for yourself, hanging on supermarket shelf with other vacuum packed fast foods. Now this is important, including pizza, chicken wings, and Chinese food here. So I've specified the food I wanted on the shelves next to it, because without doing that, it just brought more burgers and it just looked really samey. Now, the reason why this works so well from a composition point of view is you've obviously got the bag here for the sort of the hero bag, as it were, for the main product, taking up quite a lot of room, but you've still got enough detail from the other products to give it context on the shelf. Now, it's got some really nice highlights here, all these really nice specular highlights, especially this one going on the front of the bun there, just really help to sell that shiny sort of that shiny plastic bag kind of vacuum packed look, which again was a bit of a look of the draw, but you could obviously enhance that with a prompt if you needed to. Now, another thing that makes this work so well, and there was a bit of luck actually, was how these tomato slices have come out. Because if you have the burger side on like the other, so if I turn that off and look at the other burger, you've got the side on, it just doesn't look very interesting. Whereas this one, the tomato slices are kind of falling out, and they just give you a lot more detail, and the lettuce as well, and the cheese, and it's like the burger's kind of coming out, as it were, the fillings coming out really makes it work. And the fact that the burger's sitting nicely and separately on top of the fries here just makes it just a lot neater. And down here at the bottom of the prompt, I put something quite important. Slight side angle, because it was coming out dead on, like really front on, and it was just it just looked too boring, just looked too plain. It just didn't have anything. So just by adding that it should be at a slight side angle, it actually enhanced all these reflections and things like that. So that was this. It's quite a simple one, really. I did have a few iterations between these two that I'm not going to bother showing you, but it was just I sort of figured I wanted it more on a shelf here, and then it was just trying to figure out that I wanted to specify a pizza, chicken wings, and Chinese food as the background items. And then naturally it put a pepperoni pizza because it's one of the most popular pizza, so it added some pepperonis here to give it a little bit more of a pop of colour with them being red. So a little tip is, anytime you get beige food like this, where you've got fries, bread, chicken wings, anything like that, if you can add a combination of red and green somehow, which is lucky because tomatoes and lettuce on the burger go well, it really makes food pop, the combination of red and green. So, yep, that's that one. I hope that helped you in some way, and I look forward to coming out with another video very soon.